should also be given along with the contact number, so that the viewer can actually be sure that this website is backed by some people. It is not only robots which are managing this website. Proper information about us, आपकी कंपनी का पूरा डिटेल. Important office bearers should also be kept in your menu. Menu bar में कहीं एक section होना चाहिए which describes about your organization, and preferably the photographs and the information about the founders or the major board of directors or the major employees of the company. So that should be given. Testimonials will give some more credibility to your brand, right? For example, you can see it here. Member savings. So if you are showing some discount thing, so what you are doing, you are not simply saying that there is a 10%, 20% discount. So there is one testimonial that has been shared here. Fiona and Liam, so they are from Cambridge, their experience has been kept for testimonial. Important for credibility, logo of associations and awards. If your company has got some award, that should be prominently shown on your website. Links to the credible third party references and endorsements. Suppose your company, your institute is approved by AICTE, so you should give a link to AICTE, also put their logo. या फिर अगर आपकी कंपनी ने कोई अवार्ड मिला है, जैसे कॉम्पिटिशन सक्सेस रिव्यू का हमें कोई अवार्ड मिला है, so we should prominently showcase here. Fresh and up to date content. जितना frequently possible है, you should share the news on your website, on the home page itself, so that people are aware that this website is having some important agenda in the background. No errors. कहीं भी कोई टेक्निकल एरर भी नहीं होना चाहिए और लैंग्वेज एरर भी नहीं होना चाहिए. पता चला कि ग्रामेटिकल या स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स हैं, ब्रोकन लिंक्स, हाइपरलिंक्स काम नहीं कर रहे, मेल फंक्शनिंग टूल्स, पता चला कि फॉर्म सबमिट कर रहे थे, फॉर्म सबमिट नहीं हो रहा है. So that actually gives credibility issues. इंटरेक्टिव एलिमेंट्स दैट डू नॉट वर्क एज एडवर्टाइज. जैसे कहा मैंने वीडियो लगा दिया, वीडियो चल ही नहीं रहा है. पावर पॉइंट के लिए मैंने डाउनलोड ऑप्शन लगाया, डाउनलोड क्लिक किया तो डाउनलोड नहीं हो रहा है. सो दैट नीड्स टू बी चेक फॉर क्रेडिबिलिटी इश्यूज. Mobile user experience. So it is not only about the desktop or computer systems, it is also about the mobile experience, because mobile will actually generate 70 to 80% of the traffic in the modern times. So मेरे मोबाइल यूजर एक्सपीरियंस के ऊपर कैसे चीजें चलती हैं, whether the design is so simple or not, linear interfaces, it should not be cluttered, clear buttons have to be there, and the features. एक आपने प्रॉब्लम शायद सुना होगा, that is called the thick thumb problem has been actually identified more with the mobile users, because we are having a smaller screen. और पता चला कि छोटे छोटे लिंक्स आपने पास में रख दिया, there are 4-5 links which have been placed on your website very close to each other. If the customer is looking to click on one link, it actually accidentally clicks on the second link. So the user gets irritated that I was looking for this particular information, but I am being shown something else. So that is again one problem with the mobile UX. Decide which content is most essential. So on the mobile user experience, we need to check which content can be done away with. We can have the device categories and the models available. We need to identify कि कितने तरह के हमारे पास डिवाइसेस के साइजेस हैं, स्क्रीन साइजेस कितने हैं, और रेजोल्यूशंस कितने चलते हैं, कितने ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स चलते हैं. So there is a huge number. There are 6,300 mobile phones in 2011. आज तो पता नहीं कितने तरह के मोबाइल फोन्स होंगे, and 20 distinct operating systems that were available way back in 2011. So we need to identify what kind of devices the customer is going to use. Dumb or basic phones, many a times people are having simple phones, so the chances of browsing the website is negligible. तो वहां पे तो simple आपके पास में calling और SMS होता है. Feature phone, they could have some basic communication features. वहां पे website visit करने का option हो सकता है feature phones में, but they are not so advanced. So many of your graphics and your games and your flash will not load itself. Loading नहीं होगा तो बंदा उसके साथ interaction कैसे करेगा. Smartphone that we people are using, they are quite powerful, mini computer type, so you can show them the full website without any problem. Tablets are the larger version of the smartphone, so definitely you have more space to show your content. Other mobile devices are also there. For example, your netbooks, portable gaming consoles, और media devices like iPods, e-book readers. तो उसमें बहुत सारे features हो भी सकते हैं, बहुत सारे features नहीं भी हो सकते हैं. So when you are designing your UX design, user experience design for your company, you should be careful about all kinds of categories of mobile devices also. Mobile users generally have these qualities. They are goal oriented. Unnecessarily, Google, viewer will not come to your website. They will come only when a need is there. So you need to provide them the information immediately. Locally focused. Customer is generally looking for the local information. Search dominant. Generally people don't type the full URL of their company's domain. आपकी कंपनी का पूरा URL वो टाइप भी नहीं करते हैं, तो you need to be very very careful that your website is properly SEO, search engine optimization किया गया है या नहीं, right? Time conscious people are looking for information immediately, many times on the way, when they are going to a particular place, when they are on the go traveling, so at that time they are looking for information. So time conscious people are there, they cannot wait for long, because generally mobile में एक ही टैब हम ओपन करके रखते हैं, लैपटॉप डेस्कटॉप में देयर कुड बी मल्टीपल टैब्स, तो हो सकता है कि एक बार आपने कुछ कमांड दे दिया, यूजर ने कमांड दे दिया, दे आर गोइंग टू द डिफरेंट टैब फॉर सेकंड एक्टिविटी, but in case of mobile they are keeping generally one tab itself, so they are more time conscious.